So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday, the 2nd of May. Now, let's just have a look at the prices may likely go. So we've seen price come down towards this. We came pretty close towards a test of that 1300 level, but we didn't quite get there. We did see the break of 1305, from which we did see the immediate buy side momentum come into the market, posted a higher low, and we've seen the buy side momentum take us beyond the 1305 and pretty close towards that 1310 level. Now, we do appear to be finding some resistance here. We're going to a bit of consolidation. So if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, we'll look to see our price direct around at 1305. If again we can hold support at that level, we'll be looking for price head up towards that 1358. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards our 132025. The very strong major level marks out here in red. And beyond the 1305, 132025, we're looking for a move up towards that 1325 level. An area where we previously found some resistance here in the market in around that 1325 level. Those are pretty much levels that we are looking at here to the upside. If we do see a recovery here on the XAUUSD, we've had pretty strong sell side momentum to the lower end of the trading range here on the daily chart. But if on the retest we do fail to hold the 1305, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside, we will move down towards that 1300 level, likely a psychological level from which we could see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market. But ultimately, the very next horizontal level of importance would be a move down towards that 1296, successful break from which we'll be looking for a move down towards that 1288 level here on the XAUUSD. Now, let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here. Get scale on here correct. And as we can see here, we did mention the significance of that 1305 previously acted as resistance, held as support on a couple of occasions. And what we are seeing here is we did see the sell side momentum take it slightly below the level, but we are seeing the immediacy of the buy side momentum return to the market as there are some bulls in around that level. So if we do fail and we do break down from where we are at present, we did mention levels to the downside that we are looking at, but in around at 1305 we did have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average marked out here in blue on the daily chart, coupled with the 1305, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a retracement, which we are seeing at the present. So we've got a dynamic level of the 200 period moving average on the daily chart, as well as a horizontal level representing the lower end of this trading range that we were in here on the daily chart, thus seeing that bullish buy side momentum. So if we continue to see the recovery, we mentioned levels that we are looking at to the upside, and again, if we do see a breakdown, also the levels below have been mentioned. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the let's have a brief look here. That pretty much wraps up the let's just gonna have a brief look here at the weekly chart, see where we are. Just gonna remove the lines here. Yep, so with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.